Welcome back, everybody. We've got to have a lamp post, or what looks like a lamp post, on our street set this year. And I was walking through, I think it was Tractor Supply, have these cheap, relatively cheap. This is still $30, I want to say, $35, worth of these outdoor planters. They're blow molded plastic. I liked the texture. See this pitted metal texture? That's going to pop when I paint this glossy. Get like a glossy black or a glossy dark green. This one already was glossy, but this wasn't large enough. But the combination gives me an outer curve and then an inner curve that kind of flows together, which has got the base of a lamppost kind of a shape. And then we've got these, this was a sunsetter awning too, but a guy in town saves all these heavy kind of cardboard tubes from packaging overhead doors, and obviously you can buy sonotube and stuff outright if you need something like that. This one has a curve in it, so I oriented it so you can kind of see it's curving up like this, and I screwed it into the bench down there so it's not really traveling that much. But because it's curved, it made a good candidate. Rather than using the straight section, I want to try and put a taper in this, and it's a technique I've been working on perfecting, using these tubes for making trees and other stuff, columns. So as you can see, I started with a line snapped on the exact top to both ends, and then I measured over 2 inches here, 2 inches here, just something equal. I have a good feeling about taking 4 inches out, and obviously snapped it down here to the exact same place. Now you could use an oscillating saw or even your circular saw full size, but I made this up in another YouTube series. People were asking me how well it cuts, but I have it set up to spin so the saw is drawn toward me. But let's watch and see how good of a job it does here on cardboard. I like it because it's not going to be really aggressive and shake this all to pieces or make a big fluffy edge. I think it ought to keep the edge quality pretty nice and smooth. So once we take this dart out, we will close it and tape it again, and we should end up with a nice long thin cone. And we'll never see the top, but we go by at that very slight angle I think is worth having here. So let's see how the saw works. Nice, not bad. All right, let's get that done and come back and look at it when it's taped together.